What's up, guys? Simon Khalil here. Thank you for joining me for another one. I really appreciate it. Today, I'm going to talk about my upcoming events, my upcoming engagement sessions, how I plan for them, what do I do. Let's go! So I find it super important when you're doing engagement sessions and so on and so forth, especially this time of year, because weather could be really sporadic here up in the Northeast, to plan. How do you do that? Plan by really not leaving everything up to the client. You want to be... This is a collaborative effort at the end of the day. Your planning, your ideas, your style, all these things people have considered before booking you. So it is super important for you to understand that this is a collaborative effort 100% of the time. Now, there's a couple of things you could do here in order to plan better, but make the client actually feel more at ease. They're spending a lot of money with you. There's a lot of pressure. Most of them have never been in front of a camera. It's definitely a little stressful on their side of the gate, right? You've done this probably several times before, so it shouldn't be a problem. But we start off with a plan. How do we do that? Pick a location. And when you pick a location, specifically ask them for examples of what they are looking for to help pick the location. Up here where I live, I get really the best of both worlds. I get the option to be near a beach. I get an option to be near New York City. So I can really pick and choose where I want to go. If I'm looking for straight greenery, we can also go a little bit South Jersey and find straight greenery. That is not a problem here. So really, a collaborative effort does help in that situation. The number one thing I suggest everybody does: create a Pinterest account. All photographers should have a Pinterest account and should have a board for every single client of theirs. Why? A majority of people who are looking for photo shoots already have some sort of mental idea in their brain what they're looking for. Now, it could be, some people are just not into pictures, but they have a specific style. It could be, hey, I want New York City shots. I want the skyline right behind me at all times. I highly doubt you'll get a client that's that decisive in their photo shoot. So, how do you do this again? Pinterest board. Pinterest board helps you plan out not just the location, but times of day, outfits, and what type of style of photography they're looking for. Now, style of photography, they probably already did some research before contacting you for style, so that you can pretty much cross out. But for someone like me, I have several different styles of photography. I could do light and airy, I could do dark and moody, I could do a bunch of different styles. But they contact you for a reason, like I said before. Try to identify what that style is they're actually looking for. Next, outfits. Outfits you definitely need to be involved in. I've been on many photo shoots where I left the outfits up to the couple and the colors just didn't match. The colors didn't go well. The colors, the type of outfit they picked didn't go well. So I definitely recommend, if you're only doing one look, to have the client pick out an outfit and then run it by you 100% of the time. If they're doing multiple looks, you could you could get away with doing multiple looks and having them pick out one outfit they want to do, and then you sort of navigate through the other ones. That shouldn't be an issue. Now, for the location, again, location specifically, you would have to narrow that down to exactly where you want to be. But I believe that using the Pinterest board has been a help and a tool to me. And I will show you some examples of my Pinterest boards that I have created that show me poses, that show me styles, that show me outfits, that show me location, and show me exactly what the client is looking for because they are adding their ideas to the Pinterest board. So when it comes down to engagement sessions, that's exactly what I want to tell you guys is plan, be collaborative with the client 100% of the time. This not only goes for engagement sessions, I know I'm speaking specifically about that, but it also goes for portrait sessions, weddings, food photography, any photography that you're doing. My suggestion is Pinterest board, plan, and get in the nitty gritty with the details with the couple or your clients. Other than that, guys, that's all I have for you today. Make sure you like, share, subscribe. This is the type of content that I'm going to be putting out, as well as some reviews on my cameras, some reviews on my lenses. But for the majority, recommendations on what to do during certain sessions is what I'm going to come across with my videos moving forward, with a couple of updates here and there on little pieces of projects I've worked on I like to post up. But give me details on what you guys want to see. And also, if you can, see that empty white space right there, right behind my desk, right next to the little design? Give me some ideas on what I should be putting up there, because I do have maybe a couple of prints. I was thinking a whiteboard, but to be honest, I'm not going to use it that much, although I should. Give me some ideas. Let me know what I should put back there. It's a pretty big space. Hit me up in the comments below. Go ahead and check out my Instagram, where I post most of my stuff, my work, and I'll drop a link below for that. If you have any questions, again, hit me up. Peace!